Oh, you're not ready for this. Let me show you. Joining my channel, and thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. So in today's video, we're gonna be making some chicken drumstick, and we're gonna be baking them. So let's do this. But before we do this, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. Now turn on your notification bell. Ting. So let's go ahead and do this. And please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Watch the whole bit of it. Thank you. Cheers. My chicken drumstick have been sitting in the fridge for like 2 hours, and so I'm gonna transfer them to the baking bowl. And before that, I'm gonna add I'm gonna smear some, or not orange, but some lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash the lemon. And after washing the lemon, I'm gonna cut it in like two pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and smear this. Just like that. I don't know, that's a seed. Not here, but here. And So let me go ahead and mix this up. Smells so good. Ooh. Looks good. And then after that, I'm gonna add some coriander. Here is a coriander, more of the coriander, so I'm gonna add some of this. And then what I'm gonna be using is this bowl, this glass bowl. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. So go ahead and put this here. Just make sure the side that has the coriander is facing down, since we'll have to use we're gonna have to put some other coriander on top. I'm not sure if this will fit all this, but let's see. So I'm gonna add more of the coriander on top. And yeah, so after this, let's make a little bit of this. And I forgot to preheat my oven, so preheating like 500 degrees. And then start. And then when it's ready, I'm gonna set a timer for like 50 minutes. Yeah, 45-50 minutes, and then we're gonna bake our drumsticks. Now go ahead and put this inside first, but I'm gonna use this. And I'm gonna put it here. Go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna set timer on for 50 minutes, no, 45, and then I'll check to see if it's done or not. So 45, then start. We're gonna wait for 45 minutes. So it's ready, and let's see. Looks so delicious. Oh, you're not ready for this. Let me show you. still making the beeping sound. Look at that. Let's stop this. So delicious. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Let me enjoy my meal.